Next, I will explain the My Team section. You will find the My Team section in the right-hand corner up here. This section is for exhibiting companies. Here you can see meetings of all your colleagues, inbound leads, and also can take care of your company profile. The very first person who is logging in on the platform will receive a notification to create a team. Once you've created this team, all other people joining from your company are automatically added to this team. First of all, you're seeing a shared calendar. Here you can see all of your colleagues and yourselves meetings. You can also change the list here, and you can also filter by status and by team members. You can also create manually meetings for yourself or for your colleagues. You can choose the guest, the date, the time, and the location, and you can also add a personal message why you would like to meet. Next on are the inbound leads. The inbound leads are one of the most important tools on the platform. Here you can see all the people or companies who are interested in your company. So, for example, here we have one lead to review. We see the person who viewed, for example, our company's profile. We see the person is joining in person and virtually. And we have now several options to choose from. We can either skip this person, we can request a meeting, we can show interest, or we can also add a lead note. If you would like to take a different colleague to take care of this lead, you can do so, and this person from your company will then receive a notification that they need to act on someone. Once you've reviewed this lead, they will move into reviewed. And here you can also see your total leads. Next on is the company chat. The company chat is the chat where all people are sending you messages to your company's profile. It is not a private chat, it's only from when someone is sending a message from the company's booth. So you can take care of the messages, you can reply in behalf of someone, and all people from the company will see these chats. Next on are the contacts. Here you can see all your colleagues' contacts. You can also filter by status, either connected or were meeting, the team members, and the source, either via matchmaking or batch scanning. Then next on are the team members. Here you see all your colleagues' profiles, and you also, very important, see at the bottom requests who would like to join your team. This will happen if a person signs up after the registration process already started. So please always make sure to keep an eye on this section and just accept if you know it is one of your colleagues. You can then also change this colleague and you can make them all admins, for example. So all admins can accept new colleagues. A very important note, you cannot invite members outside the platform because all of your colleagues will need to go through the same registration process as you have been. So just take care that this is not available for you. Next on is the company profile. Here it is very important to update your profile picture, then your small picture here, the name, headline, and you will also need to go through the same onboarding questions because, as I mentioned before, the artificial intelligence will pull all of these details into the matchmaking and will then make sure that you are receiving the best matches for yourself. Again, you can add a quick summary about the company and you can also add products for your company. For example, here I've already created a product for chairs. You can add a picture, the name, and the details, and this is how other users will see the product then. You can also easily add another product. You click into Add Product, add a picture, and then again fill out all these details. The last very important part about the team section is the export list. Here you can export all meetings and you can also export all contacts. Since you will be able to batch scan your contacts, you can then also filter in this list which connections were made via batch scanning during the live event, the in-person event, or during the digital part of the event.